Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and send an SMS campaign to your customers. Now, if you remember in the previous videos, I mentioned that you can send SMS to your customers. You can, share your website store link with them. You can share your discount code with them. You can share your coupon code with them. You can share whatever information you want to share with them via SMS. So if, for example, you're running a sale and you just want to get more people to know about your sale and also visit your website and shop immediately, you can just send out an SMS blast and instantly all your customers will get it and you will actually get more eyes on your sale. So to set this up is pretty straightforward. Let's just navigate to the campaigns dashboard. And once you do that, you come here and you click on new campaign and then you select SMS campaign. Now, this note here is just a tip for you. So it says, for better SMS deliverability, it is recommended you send your SMS campaigns within the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And of course, if you want to learn more, you can just click here. Now, next thing to do is to name your campaign. So you can just name it for easier search or easier reference for you. So let's say we want to do like a Salah blast. So we can just say Salah, I think it's spelled like this, campaign. Then next is the header. So this is the first line of text your customers will see to recognize your business. So it is advisable that you probably name it with your business. Here we're working with Sally Ventures. Now note that this also counts as part of the 160 characters that one SMS will take. So one SMS costs you 8 messaging credits, and you have to keep it within 160 characters for it to cost you that 8 messaging credits. And this text here is part of that 160 characters. Next is the actual content of the email. But before we continue, look at this note here that says emojis and special characters are not supported. So that means that if you add this, it's not going to reflect. So just avoid emojis and special characters when you're using this particular feature. So obviously we want to do like a small, we're saying, okay, join, no, let's say shop now at 20% off. Hurry to the website before stock expires. So let's just say, and then we add a link, but this is an example, right? And once you're done creating your text, you can use a character counter to just track the number of characters that you have in your text. Also, if you look right here, you can also see how many characters you used so far. Next is to select the customer or the customer group. So if you're sending this to one customer, you can just come and select them here. So let's say, for example, I want to send it to this particular person, right? Or if you're sending to a customer group, these are like groups of people. So you have customers in particular groups. So for example, you want to send to Lucky customers, you can just take that and you have that here. But we're only sending to one person. So let's quickly unselect this and move on. So we only want to send to this person. When you're done with this, you click on preview and send. And then you have this pop-up that says it's going to cost you 8 messaging credits. Obviously, if you don't have enough, you can click on purchase to buy new credits. But if you have enough, like we do in this case, you can just click on send campaign and you're good to go. And here it says that your campaign has been successfully sent. Now to see the campaign that we just sent, you can come here and click on SMS and you'll see the information here. So you can see that it's waiting, and once it has been delivered, it moves to delivered. Okay, now you can see that it has been delivered to this customer. You can click on that campaign to see the information, the details of the campaign. So here you can see that it has been completed. It was an SMS campaign and it was sent on the 25th of May 2026. And you can also see the contents of the SMS. To view the report, you can just click on this button here and you would see the information like the phone number. So if you switch between any of these, you would see what was delivered, what was sent, what was cancelled, and all of that information. And that's it for SMS campaign. It's easy peasy, and you can send bulk SMS to your customers at any point in time with your Bumpa web app. See you in the next video where I'll be breaking down how to send an email campaign. Bye.